Facebook's back something went wrong error. Here's how to decode and destroy it. Does this happen when posting or browsing? Let me know in the comments below. First, check facebook.com/platform status. It might be a non-outage. Clear app data completely, not just cache. You can find it in the settings. Try mbasic.facebook.com. The lightweight version bypasses many glitches. Log in during off-peak hours. It is usually 3 to 5 a.m. During this time, the servers handle errors better. Still stuck? Screen record the error. Facebook support responds to videos faster. Is it working now? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.